Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by consolidating every source into Apple Photos and enabling iCloud Photos so everything stays unified. Once iCloud is on, import camera folders and dragged files directly into Photos. This prevents fragmented libraries. Make sure to pause any large edits while sync completes because conflicts create duplicates. After import, scan the Imports album for newest groups and immediately assign a temporary album name to any session you'll sort later. This keeps your incoming stream organized and prevents lost batches. Next, you build structure. Create folders for events, family, travel, and projects, then move albums into those folders. Use people to tag faces. Photos group similar faces automatically. Confirm and merge duplicates so searches return clean results. Create smart albums that capture 1-star to 5-star ratings, specific dates, or duplicates. This automates ongoing curation. Once done, apply consistent keywords and locations so you can filter across albums. Make it a habit. Rate and keyword immediately after a session. To finish, export originals to an external drive and keep a second backup, one for archive, one for recovery. Once backed up, run duplicates detection, consolidate similar shots into a single pic, then delete extras and clear recently deleted to reclaim space. Make sure albums and folders reflect your final structure and verify on another device. If sync errors or missing items appear, sign out and back into iCloud Photos, force a manual upload, and confirm network stability. This usually resolves stalled syncs quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.